Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make the taskbar transparent in Windows 11. If you're tired of the solid taskbar color and want to give your desktop a modern, stylish look, this method is perfect for you. Windows 11 doesn't include a built-in option to make the taskbar completely transparent, so we'll be using a third-party app to achieve this effect. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store. You can do this by clicking the store icon on the taskbar or by typing Microsoft Store in the search bar. Once the Microsoft Store opens, click on the search box and type Translucent TV. From the search results, select the Translucent TV app. Now click the Get button to begin downloading and installing the app. Wait for the download to complete, and once the installation is finished, click Open. When the app launches, click Continue. After that, you'll notice that your taskbar becomes completely transparent. And that's it. That's how you can easily make the taskbar transparent in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.